This will be the elevator in Beachwood Place in Beachwood, Ohio. It's a Schindler. Typical nice cab. Go down to 1. Door closed but does not work. Your cab view. Pretty nice cab. Your fixtures empty. Non-ADA compliant phone. 2,500 pound capacity. Let's go to 2. We'll end the video down here. This was installed in 1997. Here we go. Pretty nice motor. Go down to 1. Going down.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Going down.
In the days.
Door closed does not work.
Just filmed in the elevator.
Oh.
It's got a YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
There's your Schindler logo. You have a good one.
You too. Bye, guys.
We're done there.
Yep. Ending the video down here. There goes and that's it.